Hey everybody, Rorree here. Okay, so I just was given word to talk about healing from toxic relationships. Okay, so we have all been in relationships that haven't been quite great. So there are a number of things that I advise people to do and that I do myself after getting out of a relationship. And I know I was told toxic relationships as the subject, but the first thing that I feel that we should do, everyone, after you get out of a relationship, whether it be toxic or what have you, is to sit down and look in the mirror. Reflect upon yourselves, because we are so quick to call something toxic, and it may have been toxic, but oftentimes we point the fingers at other people as though they are the full reason or cause for the demise of a relationship. And the first thing we should do is take accountability and responsibility. And to do that, you have to take a look in the mirror and look at the situation. So that's the first thing that I feel that you should do once you get out of a relationship. Look at the situation. Look at how you showed up in the relationship. Look at what did not go right and see what part you had to play in what did not go right. I know sometimes there is cheating involved, and when cheating is involved, it's like, how am I responsible? That person cheated. But you could have some responsibility in the cheating. What role did you play in the cheating? Were you showing up fully in the relationship? Not to say that it is your fault that someone cheated, but how were you showing up? Were you fully available in the relationship? Were you misled? Did you have your rosy colored glasses on and you didn't see what was sitting right in front of you? Did you accept someone into your life that maybe shouldn't have had a chance to be in your life or have a part of your heart in the first place? So I'm not saying that you are at fault, but we all have a part to play, even if it is that we ignored all the signs that were right in front of our face because our sunglasses look like this color. They was all pink and rosy colorish, and you didn't see what was right in front of you. You didn't pay attention to the words that were coming out of their mouths, and you didn't pay attention to their actions. Sometimes you get in a relationship with someone and they tell you point blank, I ain't looking for a relationship. But then you get all into it and you make up all this shit in your head. And then because it looks like a relationship, you're assuming that it is, and then the next thing you know, that person's with somebody else, and you'd be like, well, what happened? Well, I told you I didn't want a relationship in the beginning. Oh, okay. So that's the first thing that I feel is very important, is to take a look in the mirror and figure out, what role did I play in this situation? And we're going to continue in the next one.